To add your store info, click on Setting option, then click on General Info option. Here, enter your business or website name. Then upload your favicon. Here, you can also see preview of your favicon and enter media alt text. Now in Site Configuration section, select your visitor's file upload limit. Here you can choose your website status. Now set up your regional setting like time zone, date format, time format, currency. Now save the setting and preview it. To add your store's location, click on Setting option, then click on Location option. Here, click on Add Location button. Then enter your store's complete location. Enter your store's complete location and save the setting. You can make it as default location by click on Mark as Default button. Your store's location has been successfully added.